Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today for class 6 students we are going to discuss assignment number 48 on number system. Now let us see the first question. Among the following fraction is, what is the difference between fraction and rational number? This is what we have to observe. A fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. It cannot be negative. You cannot take minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4. We don't call it as a fraction. But minus 3 by 4 is a rational number. What is a rational number? Any number of the form p by q where q not 0 and p comma q belong to set of integers. It can be either positive integer or negative integer. It is called as a rational number. But whereas for a fraction, it's a part of whole, it cannot take any negative values. So that is very important point. That is a very important difference between a fraction and rational number. So every positive rational number we can call as a fraction, but every negative rational number we cannot call it as a fraction. So every fraction is rational number, but rational number is not fraction always. This is very important rule. Now let us see the options. Minus 28 by 9. This is a negative rational number, so it is not a fraction. Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1, of course. This is not a fraction. 12 by 15, this is a fraction. Why? Because it is a positive rational number, so it can be accepted as a fraction. Here also it is negative rational number, it is not a fraction. So out of the given 4 options, third option is correct answer. Now let us see the next question. Minus 1 by 4 is A or M. Minus 1 by 4 is certainly not a fraction because minus we have. As it is not a fraction, it can be a rational number. It is not a natural number. Natural number means all are countables. 1, 2, 3, 4, they must be countables. Minus 1 by 2 is not that. So it is not a natural number. Integer, it is not integer. Why it is not an integer? Okay, so what is the form of an integer? It's just like countables you take, 0 you take, and negatives of the additive inverse of countables. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But it is in the form of p by q. So it is certainly a rational number. Okay, next. Which of the following rational numbers is positive? Minus 5 by 13. So either to the numerator or to the denominator we have minus. That minus applies to the whole fraction. Okay, so this is a negative rational number. So it is not positive. Minus 2 by minus 7. Yes, here both numerator and denominator have the same sign. So the resultant sign of this particular rational number becomes positive. So it is plus 2 by 7. So this is a positive rational number. Here also it is negative. It is negative. So these are also not correct options. So out of the given options, second option is the correct, that is positive rational number. Next, let us see the next question. 5 into minus 6 into minus 9 by minus 3 into 9 into 4 is a positive rational number or negative rational number? That is a question. We have to multiply only signs here. It is plus, nothing is there means it is plus. Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus is plus. So this is plus by minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, again minus. We have plus by minus, the resultant is nothing but minus. As it is negative, so it is a negative rational number. Next, here if you look at that, here also what kind of rational number is this? Positive or negative he is asking. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Numerator is negative. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is again minus. So here if you observe, both numerator and denominator have the same sign, so that results in plus sign. So it is positive sign. Positive is nothing but first option. Okay, so this is a positive rational number. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.